The Living Forest, Newbury, UK. Park up your car for free and head on inside. Download a map onto your phone or pick up a paper copy. Go to the counter and pay for your tickets. Once you're ready, head on inside. Remember, it is a living rainforest, so it is very humid inside and hot. Remember that it is a rainforest, so it is very hot and humid inside. As you walk around, you will see all these insects and animals in their enclosures. This place is also quite small. You can probably do it in an hour. When I spoke to the staff, they said you can do it within 20 minutes to 40 minutes. Remember, you're also thinking about the living plants, so have a look at all the different species. The ticket that you buy is actually valid for a whole year, so it's an annual pass. So it actually makes it quite worth it. Did you hear that weird siren whistling noise that was ongoing? I thought it was a kid playing with a toy. But wait till you see what is actually making that noise. He's my favourite bird, so I had to come back and see him again. On the way out, there are some toilets, a cafe. You are not allowed to take out, you have to drink and eat everything here. It's a hot day, so I'm in the gardens, and you just see the beautiful plants and ponds. Children are not allowed in that area, but there is a playground for them. If you head back on inside, opposite of the cafe is the souvenir shop. The main thing they have is all the animal toys there. Overall, it's a very nice visit for an hour of your time. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!